A key element to achieving the life that you want is to have strong goals and a vision for your life that you work towards every single day. But most people, they don't set goals anymore because there have been too many disappointments, too many failures, and they know that they won't achieve it. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to set goals and stick to them. Hi everyone, it's Will from Average to Epic. Welcome back to another video. If you liked the video, give it a like and do click subscribe below for weekly videos just like this one. Goal setting can be one of the best ways to achieve what you want in life, but it can also be a minefield. What on earth do we believe? So some people say we should have SMART goals. Other people say that we should chunk our goals, whatever the hell that means. Other people say that we should track every minute detail of our goal every single day. Other people say we should have more of a vague vision. Don't get too attached to your goal and it'll happen. So much confusion out there. Most people have given up, right? I get it. In this video, I will be showing you what I've learned about goal setting, all the failures, right? But the things that actually work, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so first, it's important to start out with what not to do, okay? These 4 things are what most people do when they set goals and don't do. When they set goals, and it kind of sets you up for failure. Number 1 is that they are not specific with their goal. Oh, I want more money. Okay, there's $5. Technically, that's more money, right? Oh, I want to lose weight. Okay, you've lost a kilogram. You've achieved your goal. Ironically, most people actually achieve their goals. They actually get what they want because they're not specific. So the clearer you are, the more chance that you'll actually get there. Number 2 is that there's no time frame. So I want more money. Okay, what, in the next 50 years? Sure, that's absolutely doable. But if you say in the next 3 months, completely different story. It sets some urgency. It gives you urgency. You have to work hard today, okay? And it gives the mind a time frame to work on. Number 3 is that they have no plan. This is absolutely crucial. However, don't overthink it, okay? Some people get stuck in the research loop. Yeah, they're constantly researching, they're planning, they're thinking. You only need enough to get started, okay? What's the rough plan? How can you get there? And number 4 is that they have no why. Why do you want this goal? Are you inspired? Yeah, does it stoke a fire in your belly? Are you jumping out of bed in the morning, excited to work towards your goal? If the answer is no, then you really need to think about that. Because I think most people, they have the standard goals. It's almost fashionable these days, right? Everyone wants to get in shape. Everyone wants to make more money, right? Everyone wants to have an online business, apparently. Why though? Is that your goal or is that someone else's goal? Okay, so how to set a strong goal for your life. Now, it's absolutely crucial, I believe, to start off, before you start worrying about goals, what's your vision for your life? I think this is absolutely crucial. So firstly, what is a vision? A vision is a long-term image of how you want your life to be. So we're talking 5 or 10 years from now. Okay? Doesn't matter where you are now, doesn't matter what your situation is. Okay? If everything is perfect, okay, there are no obstacles and no issues, how do you want your life to look? This is absolutely crucial because one of the best ways to achieve goals is to start at the end and work backwards, right? What most people do is they start at the beginning and then they try to work forwards, but that's really, really hard to do. What's your vision? Okay, so to make this simple, the first thing that I want you to do is sit down with a piece of paper and just write, okay? And write the first things that come into your mind. Now, this is super important because most people, their mind will filter, okay, based on their past experiences, based on their expectations, based on their failures, based on what they believe, right? So maybe your gut is saying that you want to earn $500,000 from your own business, but your mind will go, well, you're crazy, that's never going to happen. Oh, I should be more realistic, right? I will set a goal for earning £50,000. Well, it doesn't matter at this stage if it's realistic, if it's going to happen. What do you actually want? Okay, dream big. So to give you some structure, I like to focus on 5 key areas. So health, wealth, career or business, family, and impact. Okay, so how do you want your health to be? So your long-term vision, 5 years from now or 7 years from now, whatever it might be, how do you want your body to look? How do you want to feel? Yeah, do you want lots of energy, vitality? Do you want a six-pack? Do you want to be in the shape of your life? Wealth, how much money do you want? So what a lot of people do that I think is useful is that they work out their financial freedom figure. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'll include a link to in the description how you can figure out your financial freedom figure. But most people think, oh, I need millions of pounds. Well, actually, no. A lot of people don't need millions of pounds to live the life that they want. Okay? Not all of us want to be Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos and have a private jet. A lot of people would be happy and comfortable with maybe £80,000, £100,000 a year, maybe £120,000, okay? You don't need millions of pounds to live a good life. Career or business, so again, not everyone wants a business or should have a business. Again, it's kind of fashionable, it's trendy. We all should have a business, we should all be a digital nomad, all these buzzwords, we should all have an online business, laptop lifestyle, work on a beach. No. Some people don't want to do that, you know. Maybe you do want a normal career, a normal job, but you want to do something that you love. Okay, I get it. So what does that look like for you? What would you be doing? Family, okay. How do you want your family to be? What sort of family do you want, for example? You know, if you haven't got kids now, do you want kids? If you're single, maybe, do you want to be married? Okay, how do you want your family life to look like? Okay, and finally, it's impact. What impact do you want to create on the world? Okay, how do you want to help people? Who do you want to help? Okay, how will you make the world better in your own little way? So you don't have to send people to Mars, okay, like Elon Musk. You don't have to create a cure for cancer, but whatever it is, however you help the world in your way, in your little way, how do you want to do that? So just to give you a general idea, I will tell you my vision, okay? So I've got it here. I am an entrepreneur with a coaching, online and e-learning business, and I make £1 million per year net profit. I am the #1 mindset coach in the world and have helped millions of people change their lives, live a life of passion and fulfillment, and do what they love. I have a beautiful family, I have the love of my life, 2 adorable little kiddies, and the cutest dog ever. I'm in the shape of my life, full of energy and vitality. I have a six-pack and a toned body. I have a beautiful villa in Corsica, overlooking the sea with a swimming pool and beautiful coloured flowers. Okay, so that's my vision. What's your vision? Okay guys, so I've realised now this video might be a bit long, so what I'm going to do is do it in 2 parts. So this is the first part, okay? Spend a bit of time. It might not happen in 5 minutes, okay? Even if you're not completely clear about what your vision is, just get something written down, okay? So stay tuned for the second part. Once you have your vision, I'll then show you how to make specific goals that you'll actually stick to, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.